Hello guys, welcome to Dotnet Tutor. In this video, we are going to see CSS tutorials. So I'm going to explain the introduction in this video. So going forward, you can watch a CSS tutorial parts one by one. So let's see what is a CSS. CSS full form is nothing but cascading style sheet. So this CSS is used to add some style to the HTML page, and let's see the importance of CSS. So I will demonstrate here HTML page without CSS, and after that I will demonstrate the HTML page with CSS. Let's get started. Here this is the solution I created. This is a project ASP.NET Core web application. In this application, in this solution, we can add some HTML page for demonstration. I'm adding on a new item here. Take one HTML page and give some name, CSS intro. So default the HTML page we got here. Let me give one heading. So I'm just copying the content in the paragraph. Just you can create as many paragraphs you want with some content. And here another paragraph I'm creating. Just copy. I'm copying actually. Before I already wrote some text in the notepad. So just I created sample simple page. But I didn't add any CSS here. So let us run this page. First build this page. It is building. It is running. So give some URL, like actually you can give some URL like this is a HTML page. You can give CSS intro.html, you can give. So CSS intro. So this is the page we have created without CSS. So we have to add some CSS to look good with some colors we can create. So I'm stopping the application. So let us add some CSS here. So keep it mind, CSS will be added by using style tag. So I'm adding here style. So this is for introduction. I will explain one by one. Don't worry about this. Just I'm giving some style here. background color. So for this and for paragraph I am adding another style. So background, and per paragraph I am giving some border, solid color, solid. So you can give any style for border, many styles available. So here I'm giving padding. This all the properties I will explain later in the CSS tutorials, don't worry. You can give margin also I'm giving 20 px. Let's run this application. We already added CSS now, so go redirect to the our page HTML. So this is the HTML page now, looking some colorful because of CSS. So that's it guys. So coming episodes or coming videos I will explain one by one by based on some topic wise I can proceed. So please stay tuned on .NET Tutor for more tutorials. Thank you so much.